Hello, it's now 8:43 in the morning. I've just got back to see that my trade has uh, closed itself with a positive result. There's my stop there, the little red marker. Take profit just above the daily high. The reason I chose above the daily high because I had a clear space to the 25 incremental level there that I like. So whilst I didn't get in at the most opportune moment, purely because I was going through all these charts down the bottom here to try and find the best looking setup. And EG was sort of fifth choice, as you can see through the process here. It's left to right. So having sort of opened Euro GB pound and seen that there was a possibility there, I just went on to look at UJ and GJ, and the final decision was back at EJ. Now the reason for this is if you look at H1, we've got a nice, it's contra trend trade, as you can see. The main trend is down. Having said that, what the alert tells us is that the blue arrow down the bottom here is that the short-term trend is up. You can see that from the low, high, higher, low, higher, high of the two candles from 5 and 6 o'clock. So got the alert, so that means we could only look for longs. Then we had a clear gap to yesterday's high, which was important to me at that time of day. There was M30 was aligned perfectly well. M15 again was aligned perfectly well, and there was a short pullback going on here just prior to 6 a.m. To the downside. Nothing to worry about unless it actually had a pink alert there, arrow to the downside here. It didn't, so drill down to M5, and I could clearly see that at that point, the point I was looking at 6 a.m, bearing in mind my alarm goes off at 5:50, is that all I wanted was a alert to the long side there, which is what I got. Unfortunately, by the time I'd got round to sort of studying this currency pair, the alert had happened, so that's why I got in a little bit late. As you can see, if I could have got in down at the 902 level, it would have given me an extra couple of pips to add to my net 7 pips that I got this morning. As you know, I like my 7 or 8 pips in the morning, and could have got 8 or 9 really, but coulda, shoulda, maybe. Was not the concern today. It was just a question of taking the trade, putting the stops there, putting the take profit up here, and then walking away and let it do its stuff. So that's today's trade. It is just like Groundhog Day. Tomorrow will be the same, the day after will be the same, and it just goes on like that. Go through a handful of charts, make your plan and trade the plan. Thank you for watching and have a good day.